I'm Wade McGinnis from Thoroughbred Diesel. I'm here today with my friend Brett Williams. Brett is one of the owners and family members of the Williams family. As everybody knows, that is the founders of Industrial Injection. You guys have been open long time.
41 years.
41 years, yeah. And we have been doing business with Industrial Injection for over 15 years now. So honestly, I talk about it all the time as far as the fuel shops that we deal with and manufacturing we deal with. This is one of the best products all around that is really just resilient, just very tough. If you throw a set of industrial injection injectors in your truck, just a blanket statement, you're going to be getting not only a quality injector, a very closely balanced injector, you're going to be getting a very hard-nosed product that you put in your truck. They've got a couple of really big products that have come out here at UCC in 2026, and Brett just actually showed this to me on the X Series pistons, and our engine sales with Industrial is a really big part of our relationship. We sell a lot of industrial engines. You guys manufacture. Y'all just built a brand new facility.
Yep.
That's dedicated only to the engines.
So this is our new line of X Series pistons. We built them in-house. They're designed to our specs, and they range from stock all the way up to high horsepower pistons.
Yeah.
They're coated. They got heat barriers on them, and we're considering these the best pistons on the market.
Yeah, yeah. Really works with what you all are doing too with the injections as far as spray angle goes. You can work with different spray angles that you know are going to be the best for these pistons that you guys are designed. So that's a natural fit for you all.
Yeah, if you're running a custom spray angle injector,
yeah,
we can make them fit your needs. So.
Yeah. So I was really excited about talking to Brett about was their newest CP3 pump that they're coming out with and what's releasing this year, right?
Yeah, we've had it on testing for a couple years now,
Yeah.
but this is our new XP700. It's the top dog as far as pumps go. It has a 14 millimeter lift cam in it. We got bigger plungers in it, but the biggest thing that makes this thing the best is the dual FCA. The problem with these pumps is you can only get so much fuel through the FCA, and you can modify them, you can do that. But the dual FCA with the bigger plungers and the bigger cam, no one can touch this pump. It's not possible unless they're putting bigger plungers and two FCAs on it. So we'll see who's the next one to come out with a dual FCA. We'll see who does it next, but right now it's just us.
That's such a slick setup because you see that I don't know if that's the primary or secondary FCA actually feeding into what would be the supply pump side of the pump into the pump. So it's neat. I know it's completely proprietary. I know there's a whole lot of that you don't want to talk about as far as that, but that's a completely different rig. It's wild looking.
And it comes with a few different mounting options for the second FCA, but it's a complete kit. You can buy it, you can stick it on, and with that kind of fuel, you only need one pump.
That's it. Yeah.
Unless you're going crazy, but
right.
It's a one size fits all.
Yeah. It seems like that's kind of what we're going to in the industry. We're just seeing how much that these guys can make on a single pump, single turbo, whatever that is. So. Brett's busy over here in the tent. I just really want to thank him for the time coming over here and being able to do this video with us. So check out Industrial Injection on our website, thoroughbreddiesel.com, and thanks for watching.